Hey, what's up everybody? Daniel, Twisted Auto Sports. So today we are going to be doing our 8-month review on the PenguinTechRacing ethanol kit that we have on board. Meant to actually do this video several months ago, but life happened. Had quite a few other things that I needed to do, so of course life has to come first. At this point, yeah, so I picked up the PenguinTechRacing Flex Fuel Kit for the 15 and up WRX back in July. Actually was able to install the kit on the car I'd say about a month prior to actually going and getting tuned. I actually had the kit installed about 2 weeks prior to getting a base map from my tuner, which was Dotson Tuning there in Fort Worth, Texas. I've had no issues whatsoever out of this kit. It has been absolutely phenomenal. I know a few other guys in the Subi community that I know personally that have used this kit and have had, you know, amazing results. 100% comparable to the Cobb Flex Fuel Kit for these FA20s. And for the price, so for the Cobb kit, you're going to pay $600 before tax for the Cobb Flex Fuel Kit. That's literally just going to be the lines, the sensor, the harness. You're going to get the same thing with Penguin Tech for $400. You're going to save $200 right there, and that $200 difference you can use to go ahead and get your in-tank fuel pump. As for me, I picked up an AM 340 in-tank pump, and that has worked phenomenally with this kit. You know, with the Cobb at that $600, you're going to spend another $150 to $200 depending on what in-tank pump you go with. So, I mean, right there, that was a big seller for me. You know, the Poor Boy, you know, kind of the reasoning for the name Poor Boy is this car is built on a budget. Eventually we will do a cost breakdown of everything that I put into the car, everything that I bought and or sold off. But yeah, for the money that you're going to spend on the PenguinTechRacing kit, it is hands down, you know, just it is awesome. I can't stress that enough. You know, the price point of the kit makes it an absolute go-to if you are building on a budget. I know a lot of people out there are going to say, oh well, Cobb, Cobb the world. Yes, Cobb is a great company. They make great products for these cars, but from my understanding, Penguin Tech started as you know, just a small company, wanted to build a flex fuel kit for himself and was able to capitalize on it. You know, and I think that's great. You know, if you can design something for these cars and then there's a market for it, yes, by all means. But yeah, like I said, for the price point of this kit over Cobb, I'm not sure of any other companies out there that make a flex fuel kit for the FA20s. It is absolutely amazing. For those that are going to say, oh well, the Penguin Tech kit doesn't have all the same connections as the Cobb kit, yes it does. I installed this myself. I've also seen the Cobb flex kits. As far as I can tell, every connection that the Cobb kit uses, so is PenguinTech. You know, plugs into the EGR TGV O2 sensor, rear O2 sensor. You know, and PenguinTech actually gives you an option that Cobb doesn't, as far as I know. With PenguinTech, your fuel lines that you swap out under the hood, they give you the option of a protective sleeve. With Cobb, I believe it is just a black protective, like woven sleeve. But with PenguinTech, they give you the option of a red and black sleeve, black. You know, so they give you that cosmetic appeal with their kit as well. Their brain, no issues with it at all. It mounts right on top of the intake manifold with a bolt that I believe would normally hold one of the brackets for the top mount intercooler. Granted, that bolt for me was free, as I went front mount probably 4 weeks prior to getting my kit. But yeah, hands down, for the money, PenguinTech has been absolutely awesome. Their customer service is great. I've emailed back and forth with them a few times, just looking for like little line clips and stuff, and they have been great. So I can't thank PenguinTechRacing enough for having this kit and making it to where even the little guys building on a budget can go and have fun with their WRXs. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. So for now, take it easy, guys. And we'll see you on the next one.